daughters of men and called their name. They left their post in the holy light, came down to earth in the dead of night, swore an oath on a mountain high, bound together, no turning back, no alibi. Secrets whispered, forbidden things, steel and sorrow that knowledge brings. Heaven trembled, the earth would groan, and man was learned what it meant to moan. So did mankind. They taught the blade, they taught the war, painted faces, open doors, sorcery and the roots of sin, corruption growing deep within. The earth cried out from the blood they spilled, every valley with violence filled. Men turned beast, hearts turned stone, God saw a world no longer his own. But one man walked in humble grace, found mercy in a broken place, built a vessel by Noah's hand, while judgment thundered on the land. Oh, the giants roared, the sky turned black, no turning now, no going back. The Nephilim stood, defied the rain, but flesh and pride could not remain. And the Lord let loose the deep and sky. 40 days and nights they cried, every mountain drowned in time. When the watchers fell, so did mankind. Chains in darkness bound below, for what they did, for what they know. The watchers wait in shadowed flame till the final call, till the final shame. And echoes whisper through the flood of judgment, mercy, grief and blood. A warning carved in ancient stone, you reap the seed that you have sown. Destroy.